This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST251 VFK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 28 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, awning, self-contained, slide-out, water heater, TV, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, refrigerator, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front kitchen, mid-bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST251 VFK is 6,330 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST251 VFK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.